Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Like mentioned in my video yesterday, Bitcoin needed to dip before it could rip, and it did. The reason was clear. Long liquidation leverage pockets were stacking just beneath the price. As expected, the dip came and didn't just touch the 108.2K to 108.5K zone. It sliced through and dropped straight into the next key support level around 107.2K, a zone we last visited on the 24th and 25th of May. From there, price bounced hard, and we're now climbing again. I believe we're setting up to smash through the yellow horizontal at 109.3K and continue toward new all-time highs. On the 1-hour chart, money flow is turning green and momentum is shifting upward. There's little in the way past 108.5K and 108.9K. Once those are cleared, reclaiming 109.3K looks highly likely. May is wrapping up with strength. We're currently up by 14.47% compared to a monthly median of 9.51%. That's a strong overperformance. But keep in mind, June historically underperforms, with a median of negative 0.49%. If that pattern repeats, it would place Bitcoin around 106.4K by the end of June. Not the worst case, but it would mean crabbing between the two yellow lines, 109.3 thousand on the upside and 106.4 thousand on the downside for the whole month. Is that scenario possible? Sure, but I'm not betting on it. I'm still holding my longs and plan to sell into strength if we break into new highs. The heat maps are once again pointing the way. In a ranging market, the liquidation heat map is often the most honest indicator of where price wants to go. Looking at the 3-day liquidation heat map, we can clearly see that the hottest upside targets sit at 110.7K and 111.3K. Both levels are just beneath the current all-time high of 111.8K, making them ideal liquidity magnets. Meanwhile, the 1-day heat map zooms in on just one key level, 109.4K, which perfectly aligns with our former all-time high and makes it the most obvious short-term target before any move higher. In other news, GameStop, yes, that GameStop, just confirmed its first Bitcoin investment. They acquired 4,710 Bitcoin, funded through a $1.3 billion convertible notes offering. That makes them the 13th public company with the most Bitcoin holdings globally. After months of speculation, they finally pulled the trigger. This adds another legacy brand to the growing list of Bitcoin adopters. I'll be keeping you updated daily. Scan the links in the pinned comment for bonuses and invites to the community. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Tap the like button if this video gave you value. Subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss an update. And see you in the next one.